In today's video, we will be introducing you to the Zevro GAT201C Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser, Dual Control, in WhiteChrome. This product is a convenient and efficient way to store and dispense dry foods such as cereal, nuts, candy, and granola. One of the key features of this food dispenser is its dual canister design, which allows you to store up to 35 ounces of food in total. Each canister can hold up to 17.5 ounces of dry food, providing ample storage space for your favorite snacks. The dispenser also features a portion control mechanism that shells out 1 ounce per twist, helping you to manage your food intake. Not only does this food dispenser ensure portion control, but it also keeps your food fresh and germ-free. The airtight seal helps to preserve freshness for up to 45 days, reducing food waste and saving you money. The dispenser is made from scratch-resistant and shatterproof materials, ensuring its durability and longevity. This food dispenser is not only practical but also promotes independence, making it ideal for parents and individuals who are living a healthy or weight-conscious lifestyle. Children can easily serve themselves by simply placing a bowl under the spout and twisting the knob. The soft, flexible paddle wheel ensures that cereal is dispensed without being crushed, reducing messy spills. Cleaning up after use is a breeze, thanks to the removable bottom tray. The dispenser is also easy to assemble, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. With dimensions of 7.5 L by 13 inches WX 16.3 H, it can fit seamlessly into any kitchen countertop. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and compatibility may vary internationally. Make sure to check the outlets and voltage requirements in your country before purchasing. In conclusion, the Zevro GAT201C Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser is a versatile and innovative product that combines style with practicality. Its dual canister design, portion control mechanism, and airtight seal make it a must-have for any kitchen. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your food storage and dispensing process with this amazing product. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out the link in the description for more information about this product.